Hello, welcome to the weather for the week ahead from the Met Office. It's looking largely dry for most of the country this week, and certainly first part of the week, largely sunny skies as well. It is going to turn cloudier, and it's also going to turn colder as we go towards the end of the week and the weekend. High pressure is nearby, but actually we're between two highs and we're between two lows at the moment. And the low to the north is providing this weather front, which is making for some very wet conditions across the northwest of Scotland. The rain continuing here through Tuesday and Wednesday, and as a result, well, we could see over 100 millimetres of rain in places, and there is a yellow warning in force. Some patchy rain across western Scotland, but most places will be dry. A fair bit of cloud across the north, so the sunshine here rather hazy, whereas further south, plenty of blue sky, and the wind's relatively light here, certainly compared to recent days, and so it's going to feel pretty warm with temperatures easily into the mid-teens. One or two spots could get up into the high teens. It will be cooler, obviously, with the breeze and the rain across the far northwest. That weather front continues to wriggle around across the far north into Wednesday. High pressure across the continent continues to dominate further south. A little bulge in the isobars here. So again, across the south, a cold start, possibly a touch of frost, but then plenty of sunshine. Whereas that weather front continues to bring rain across the Highlands and the Western Isles, although it might start to clear from the Hebrides through the day. That weather warning remains in place into Wednesday. The cloud will thicken across Northern Ireland, maybe some patchy rain here. Again, for the bulk of England and Wales, it's a dry and pretty mild day after that cold start. Now, the weather front is slipping south through Wednesday night and into Thursday, but it's getting squeezed by high pressure systems, so it's really fizzling out in terms of its rainfall. It will bring more cloud and some drizzly conditions across southern Scotland, pushing slowly into parts of northern England, maybe North Wales. So much more cloud here on Thursday. Maybe the odd shower in the far northwest, but again, further south and east, most places dry. But it is, you'll notice, turning colder with more cloud, and as cold air comes in and the winds start to pick up as well, particularly on the east coast. High pressure is well and truly sitting across the country by the time we get to Friday. The remnants of that weather front will again provide a fair bit of cloud across some central parts and maybe the odd shower here and there, but again, most places will be dry on Friday under that high pressure. But with the high building in from the Atlantic, the winds coming in from the northwest and coming down the North Sea in particular, it's going to feel quite chilly on these North Sea coasts. With a bit of brightness in the south, we could still get into the teens, but you'll notice temperatures dropping off day by day come the end of this week. The high pressure is still controlling things as we go into the weekend. Isobars just squeezing together a little bit more. So these northerly winds will get stronger, it looks like, through Friday and more especially into the weekend. So the weekend, yes, staying largely dry, but it is going to be feeling quite a lot colder, especially as that wind starts to pick up. Make sure you stay up to date with the latest day by day by following the Met Office on social media.